Abhinaya, Akshay, Aspina, Pranavan, Geetika, Harishihan, Jayarani, Koval,
Hello.
Lakshan, Muralidharan, Manurika, Ravina, Pratusha, Rishani, Roshan,
Here.
Sarah, Lilian, Surigan, Vasudevan, Neha, Vitushan,
Here.
Anish,
Sarah. Wow.
Dharmika,
Sarah.
Bhavani, Supaveen, Abhinaya, Janani, Dharani, and
They're all the same size.
okay. Starting the order of the day, who is going to do the call? Pratish. Okay. Pratish Bhaskar. They are already marked. Okay. Right. So we're going to do can I get a copy of this?
Just wear this one when you are doing that, and you can keep it with your file and give it back to me. Okay.
Can I get a copy of that one?
Come to the front here.
Right?
Okay, so it's the Tirukkural chapter 65, number 5. So,
Everyone got it? Number 65.
number 5.
Me too.
So in Tamil, Sollukka sollai peridor soll, achsollai vellum soll inmai arindu. So in English it's deliver your speech after assuring yourself that no counter speech can defeat your own. And it means when you're presenting your speech, make sure it's really good so no one can say it in a better way or say it better than you. And they can like, correct you and make sure when you use lots of details they can't point out that you didn't use it.
Can you elaborate? Gaurika, right? Yeah. Gopika. Elaborate that. You can elaborate in Tamil too. What does the Tamil choral say?
Sollukka sollai peridor soll, achsollai vellum soll inmai arindu. I think if it speaks something, no one can beat us. Like, we have to speak more letters.
Can you elaborate here? On the Tirukkural, what was that? You can read it, English or Tamil, you can read it and what's your opinion?
Deliver your speech after assuring yourself that no counter can defeat your own.
So what does it mean? Let it first come. What do you understand from that? What is it Tirukkural says? deliver your speech after assuring yourself that no counter speech can defeat your own. Louder, louder. So he says you can have confidence, with confidence you deliver your speech, right? What was the confidence you had? What was the confidence you had? You can do it, yes. And there's other confidence he talks about. Vasu, you want to say something? Yes.
Make a speech after you're sure that nobody can explain it.
Yeah, louder, louder.
Make a speech after you're sure nobody can say it anyway.
Yeah, make your speech after you are sure that you can do it in a better way. Nobody can do it in a better way than you. Okay. Roshan, so what's your opinion? Read it and explain.
That sometimes if you're a lawyer, if you're fighting for someone, that make sure your counterpoint is good so the guy can counter it.
So you're putting the scene of a lawyer, right? So like that, if you are speaking to somebody as a lawyer speaking to somebody, you are speaking to somebody, and make sure the other part, the opposition, not able to counter. What's counter mean? Just overcame or what do you call it? Win over your way of speech, right?
What does that mean?
When you grow, you will know. Okay?
Hi.
Right, Dharani, what do you think? What is your reflection on this one?
Make sure that you're speaking really good and be calm down so that other people can argue you and make your speech useless.
Make your speech?
Like feel useless. For instance.
Okay. Vivian, what do you think?
You're trying to prove that you're right and that no one else thinks that you're wrong.
Yeah, you are trying to prove that right when you speak and no one else can't prove it wrong.
I think the same
Is it only for the public speech?
No, thank you.
Is it not? Huh? Everyone talking like speech. So it's the public speech only?
No, thank you.
Huh? In our day-to-day life, during our communication, when we speak to others, speak to our friends, teachers, parents, and everything, we need to think and speak.
Yes,
Once the spoken words, you cannot withdraw.
no message.
Can you be quiet? Okay, the spoken words cannot be withdrawn. So you should be able to think before you speak. And that's the main part. Okay? Anything else you want to say? It's well done. Thank you. Now, proverb of the day, who is going to present it?
Hi everyone, I hope you guys all know me. Anyway, my name is Gobika and today I'm going to do the proverb of the day. The number of my proverb is 4136. It's Nandri Seida Kiri Pillai Kontra Kadai Pola. I hope you guys know the story about a woman who killed a mongoose that had done well. Anyway, I'll say the story. The story is about a woman who had who killed the mongoose who had done well. Once upon a time, there was a woman who had a pet, who had mongoose as a pet. And one day she left her child with the mongoose and went to the well to fill up the water in the pot. While she was in the well, a cobra came into her house and to kill her child. But fortunately, the mongoose saw the snake and then it killed it. After a while, the woman came back to her house. But she saw the mongoose with the blood on its mouth. She thought the mongoose had killed her child. But that's why she dropped the pot with full of water on the mongoose and ran into her house. But she saw the child playing in the floor happily, and beside her child there was a snake without head and covered with blood. After she know what happened, she came back to the entrance and lift up the pot with full of water that she dropped on the mongoose. But unfortunately, the mongoose killed by her. From this story, I can know we have to think about ourselves before we say anything. Like, we have to say the great judgment, and then don't punish anyone without any purpose, and then suddenly give the judgment. Don't give the judgment suddenly.
So, what is your reflection? Yeah, we have to think twice before what we do, right? We have to think twice. What is it? Allow that. Don't jump to conclusion. Very good. Very good. Don't jump to conclusion. Don't haste in your action or judgment. What do you think?
Don't do anything bad without knowing the story behind it.
Yeah, don't do anything bad without knowing the story behind it. If you know the story, you can do bad thing?
No.
No. Never. Right. Louder.
Unless some...
70 times. Okay. But you should know before you do the thing. You shouldn't take any action in a hurry. So you should think twice. So the Kural she said before, and the proverb she said after this. Both are sort of connected, right? What did the Kural say? Think before you talk. Before you speak or before you talk. What did the proverb say? Louder.
Think before you...
Yeah, think before you act. Okay. Right. Now, shall we move on to any other reflection on this? These two, Kural and proverb. Okay. Now we move on to story of